In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover unsaved or lost content in a Microsoft Word document. If you accidentally closed Microsoft Word without saving your document, or some of your recent work seems to be missing, Microsoft Word provides options that can help you recover unsaved content. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the File tab in the top left corner. From the menu, select Info. This section contains different options related to your document. Now look for the Manage Document option. Click on it to see the available document recovery options. From here, select Recover Unsaved Documents. Microsoft Word will open a folder containing documents that were saved temporarily by the program. Look through the available files and find the document that contains the work you want to recover. The file names may not always be exactly what you expect, so check the available documents carefully. Once you find the correct file, select it and click Open. Microsoft Word will open the recovered document so you can check its contents. Take a moment to review the document and make sure the missing work is there. If you have recovered the content you were looking for, save the document immediately using the Save As option. Choose a suitable location for the document, enter a file name, and save it as a normal Word document. This makes sure the recovered content is stored properly, instead of remaining only as a temporary recovery file. If you are using a document that was previously saved, but some recent changes are missing, you can also check the available recovered versions through the document recovery options in Word. These recovery files can sometimes contain a more recent version of your work. Keep in mind that recovery depends on whether Microsoft Word was able to create a temporary or recovered copy of the document. If Word did not create a recovery file, the missing content may not be available through this method. For this reason, it is a good idea to save your work regularly while editing an important document. Regularly saving your document can help reduce the amount of work that could be lost if Word closes unexpectedly. If you accidentally close a document or experience an unexpected problem, don't immediately assume that all of your work is gone. Check Word's recovery options first and look for an available unsaved document. And that's how you can recover unsaved or lost content in a Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,